Ways to make your business grow. Growing a small business isn't easy. It is one of the toughest challenges many face when they are starting a small business. If you have the leverage against your competitors, at least you can survive the first blow. If you have read tons of books on your chosen business before you have started, you will not be totally in the dark. The success of your small business depends on your efforts to grow profits using various methods. From employee training to marketing, every aspect of your business deserves attention. Rapid growth doesn't happen overnight, but there are several steps you must take to keep your business moving forward. It takes time and effort. However, when you start reaping the benefits, you will see that your effort is worth it. Here are some tips to consider if you wish to see your business grow. Generating new business by growing your customer base is important to your business success. However, it can sometimes be very challenging. Here are some practical tips to help you grow your customer base. 1. Get to know your customers. Understand your customers' needs and develop products and services that meet those demands. You can gain insight into your customers of your services by encouraging them to provide you with feedback. Number 2, offer great customer service. Ensure your customer service is exceptional and go the extra mile when you can. Your customers will not only remember great service, they will also be more likely to refer other people to you. Nurture existing customers and look for new opportunities. Have strategies in place to nurture existing customers, such as staying in contact with them via an e-newsletter or letting them know about promotional events ahead of time. At the same time, look for opportunities to get more work and build your customer base. Make sure you find the right balance between nurturing customers and finding new ones. But learn to know why customers are not always right, but they must be treated as kings when they are within your vicinity. Use social media. Social media is a powerful tool to promote your business to potential customers and gain valuable insight through social listening. Through social listening, you can find out what customers are saying about you, gain insight into their behavior, identify keywords and trends that appeal to your target market, and so improve your customer service. Social media can help you to build your business profile and attract new customers. In business, networking is power. The more the network, the more the lifeline of the business, and the business keeps on flowing. Attend networking events. Invest time to build your networks. It's not what you know, but who you know. Networking allows you to build relationships with other people and encourage them to refer customers to you through word of mouth. Host events. Hosting your own event can be a great way to get to know your customers and build relationships. Invite some of your best existing customers and encourage them to bring their friends. Give back to your community. Building brand awareness in your local community is a great way to attract new business. Consider sponsorship or participating in a community event to raise your business profile. It is the nature of majority of people to help you if you help them. You reap what you sow. Measure what works and refine your approach as you go. You should monitor where your customers are coming from in order to measure whether your marketing activities are successful or not. What are the needs of your tribe? Then supply it. Don't be afraid to experiment. Refine your approach if something is not working and focus more time on the activities that achieve the best results. Do not waste your time on what doesn't work, but always watch and observe changes of paradigms in the playing field. What doesn't work today may work tomorrow. Understand your customers. You can only develop products and services that will be a huge hit if you are attentive to the needs of your customers and prospects. One way to understand exactly what your customers want is through research and surveys. You should be constantly inviting them to provide honest, even brutal feedback. Reviews and surveys are the best ways to get inside the mind of your customers. This makes it easier for you to develop products and services that are suitable to the current demands of the market. Moreover, it helps you understand the areas in which your company needs to improve. Improve customer service. If you don't provide quality customer service, it will be difficult to satisfy your customers, and even if you have a superior product or service. This aspect of the business is about taking the extra step to make them feel special. Let your customers know that they are valued. If they have problems, make sure you address them right away. If they have questions, take time to answer them. They should not feel like things are difficult for them if they raise certain issues. Social media is a great way to understand your customers by listening to them. If they find the customer service satisfactory, they might even recommend others to also buy from your business. Establish loyalty. It takes time to encourage customers to come and buy what you have to offer. But it's not enough to just get them to buy. You need to encourage loyalty. Considering that there are other competitors who could offer them better, you want them to remain loyal to you. Don't feel complacent just because you already have a lot of loyal customers. They can be easily attracted to other options and they might leave you. Provide loyalty rewards if there are discounts and promotion. Let these most loyal customers be the first one to know. You must be sure your customers know they are appreciated. Maximize social media. Without a doubt, social media is a very powerful tool. It searches out to hundreds upon thousands of people at once. Make sure your business is engaged in social media. This helps you to stay relevant. Listening to people and reading their comments will give you an idea on how to make them feel more satisfied. You will also understand their behavior and find a way to meet their demands. The best part is that you won't have to spend a lot of money just to attract new customers. You don't need to engage in comment wars through. Just keep it positive and make everyone feel that they are heard. Focus on professional development. The success of your business also depends on the quality of employees that you hire. Building an effective team is the key to ensuring that your business prospers. One of the best ways to have motivated employees who work hard is to give them a sense of purpose. They should not just feel like they have to work for the sake of working. Please subscribe, share, and click the notification bell button if you like this channel. Thank you.